Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into EV Charger Finder for Tesla Supercharger access planning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the EV Charger Finder website URL. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the page has loaded, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main features. To plan your Tesla Supercharger access, find the Locate Charger option. Click on it to begin the charger search. You can enter your desired destination or current location in the search bar. Hit search to display nearby supercharger stations. Review the list of results shown on the map. Select any charger to view additional details, including charging status and availability. You can also filter results based on your preferences. After analyzing the options, choose a supercharger that suits your route. For more details, click on the charger marker for directions. You are now ready to plan your access to Tesla Superchargers efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.